Ever feel like you're navigating a maze when dealing with your network setup? Or maybe you're grappling with network issues that seem to multiply by the day. The network quagmire. It's a familiar story for anyone who's ever been knee-deep in the complexities of traditional networking. You know what I'm talking about. The labyrinth of devices, the spaghetti bowl of cables, the endless configuration changes. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark. And just when you think you've got a handle on it, something else goes wrong and you're back to square one. And let's not forget the cost. Buying and maintaining all that hardware isn't exactly cheap. From servers to switches, routers to firewalls, the bills pile up. But what's the alternative? Skimp on your network and risk poor performance, or even worse, a security breach. Speaking of performance, that's another bugbear. Slow network speeds, dropped connections, latency issues, the list goes on. And every second of downtime is not just frustrating, it's costing your business money. In today's fast-paced world, a slow network is like a snail trying to compete in a Formula One race. It's just not going to cut it. And then there's security. Cyber threats are a constant worry, and traditional network setups can leave you exposed. You're constantly patching, updating, and crossing your fingers that the next big cyber attack won't hit you. It's like living in a house with 1,000 doors, and you're trying to keep them all locked all the time. It's exhausting and frankly a bit nerve-wracking. If these sound like your daily struggles, perhaps it's time to consider a different approach. Have you heard about SD-WAN? SD-WAN, or Software-Defined Wide Area Network, is a modern networking solution that could be the answer to your network woes. Let's take a moment to unwrap this tech jargon. Imagine the network as a bustling city. The traditional wide area network is like navigating through the city using only paper maps and intuition, while SD-WAN is like using a GPS. It provides a clear bird's-eye view of the entire network, directing traffic efficiently and adapting routes based on real-time conditions. In essence, SD-WAN is a software approach to managing wide area networks. It decouples the networking hardware from its control mechanism, which allows for more flexibility and central control. It's like having a network conductor, harmonizing the symphony of data flow across multiple locations. One of the key features of SD-WAN that sets it apart from traditional networking solutions is centralized control. This feature lets you manage your entire network from a single point. Imagine being a maestro, conducting an orchestra from the comfort of your office, ensuring every instrument, or in this case, every network node, is playing in harmony. Another key feature is network flexibility. As businesses grow and change, so do their network needs. With SD-WAN, you can easily adjust network configurations or add new connections as needed, without the need for complex manual reconfigurations. It's like having a city infrastructure that can instantly adapt to changing traffic patterns, ensuring smooth commutes for everyone. SD-WAN also offers the ability to use multiple types of connectivity, including MPLS, broadband, LTE, and more, based on what's most effective for your specific needs. It's like having different modes of transportation at your disposal, choosing the fastest or most cost-effective route to your destination. So, what we have here is a modern, flexible, and efficient solution to networking. It's a breath of fresh air in the often confusing and complex world of IT networking. Now, you might be wondering, what does this all mean for me? Well, let's dig into the benefits of SD-WAN. Imagine a network setup that's easier to manage, more secure, and cost-effective. That's what SD-WAN brings to the table. Now let's dive into what exactly these benefits are and how they can revolutionize your network management experience. Firstly, let's discuss cost savings. Traditional WAN setups involve complex hardware and software configurations, often requiring specialized professionals to manage. These factors can add up, making traditional WAN a costly endeavor. However, SD-WAN shifts much of the network management to the cloud, reducing the need for expensive hardware and specialized personnel. This shift can result in significant cost savings in the long run, but cost savings are just the tip of the iceberg. Improved network performance is another major advantage of SD-WAN. Traditional WAN networks often struggle to handle the increasing demands of modern business operations, particularly when it comes to bandwidth-heavy applications and services. But SD-WAN can dynamically manage network traffic, prioritizing critical applications and services, and ensuring optimal performance. This means that your business applications run smoothly with less downtime and better overall performance. Next, let's talk about security. In a world where cyber threats are a constant concern, SD-WAN offers enhanced security features. SD-WAN solutions come with built-in security protocols, including encryption and firewall services, to protect your network from potential threats. Moreover, because SD-WAN centralizes network control, it simplifies the process of implementing and managing security policies across your network. This centralized control also means that any detected threats can be dealt with swiftly and efficiently, minimizing potential damage. Finally, we have simplified management. Anyone who's ever dealt with traditional WAN setups knows they can be a nightmare to manage. With SD-WAN, however, much of the network management is automated and centralized, making it easier to monitor and control your network. This not only reduces the workload for your IT team, but also allows for quicker responses to any network issues that may arise. In conclusion, the benefits of SD-WAN are undeniable. It offers cost savings by reducing the need for expensive hardware and specialized personnel. It improves network performance by dynamically managing network traffic. It enhances security with built-in protocols and centralized control. And it simplifies management by automating and centralizing network control. With SD-WAN, you can say goodbye to your network headaches and hello to a more efficient, secure, and affordable networking solution. So, we've covered quite a bit of ground today. Let's recap on what we've learned. We kicked things off by diving into the labyrinth of traditional network setups. Remember how we talked about the complexity these networks pose? They often come with a high cost of operation and a lack of flexibility. This is due to their reliance on expensive proprietary hardware and their inability to adapt quickly to changing business needs. Then we journeyed into a new frontier, the world of software-defined wide area networks, or SD-WAN for short. It's a technology that is transforming the networking landscape by offering a more adaptable, cost-effective solution. SD-WAN uses software to control the connectivity, management, and services between data centers and remote branches or cloud instances. This shift from hardware to software is what makes it so revolutionary. We also explored the numerous benefits that SD-WAN brings to the table. First off, it dramatically reduces costs, since it eliminates the need for expensive proprietary hardware. Then, there's the flexibility and scalability that SD-WAN offers. Businesses can quickly adapt to changing needs by simply adjusting their network configurations. No more waiting for new hardware to be installed or old hardware to be decommissioned. Additionally, SD-WAN improves network performance. It optimizes the delivery of traffic across the network, leading to a better user experience. This is especially crucial in a world where the demand for high-quality, uninterrupted digital experiences is at an all-time high. And let's not forget about security. SD-WAN provides a more secure network by encrypting the traffic that flows across it. Plus, it provides better visibility into the network, allowing for easier detection and mitigation of potential threats. Remember, in the world of networking, SD-WAN is more than just a buzzword. It's a game changer. So, are you ready to change your game? That's all we have for today's discussion on SD-WAN. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. SD-WAN holds the potential to revolutionize your existing network setup, providing you with unprecedented control, flexibility, and efficiency. It's not just about surviving the network quagmire, but thriving in it. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is essential. And SD-WAN is a key player in this game, offering a new horizon of possibilities. But don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to explore, to question, to delve deeper. And to assist you in this quest, we're preparing something special. Our next video will take you on a comprehensive journey, unraveling the intricacies of implementing SD-WAN in your network environment. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll guide you on your journey to a simpler, more efficient network with SD-WAN. Until then, happy networking.